there. No, you're not done yet. That means all done. You're still eating. You're still eating. So she had some strawberries. Wow, you ate a lot. They each had a little half of a fig bar. They're having some toast with some strawberries. Hi, little guy. He's grumpy today. Look at his poor little bite marks. Oh, you okay? That was a nice burpee. We cannot get her to stop biting him. So I guess I gotta refill their toast and strawberry. He's pointing. Say more. You want more? Say more. You want more strawberries? How do you say more? Say more. You want more? Good job. Okay. Good job. Do you want more strawberries, Sissy? You want more? She doesn't sign more that much, but she usually will say more. Amelia, can you say more? Or are you really all done? No, you do want more. Ever since she learned all done, she kind of just does it when her food's empty, even if she wants more. Here you go, Sissy. Mommy. Is that good? Say, we were just hungry. That's why we were fussing. We were just hungry.
No, don't film me right now.
Why, Mr. Diva? It's the family morning. I'm in my Peg Bundy robe.
Hey, what's this letter?
He doesn't like to be filmed. Let's try this again. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
We are doing a little day in the life for you today, and I feel like we already missed like the biggest chunk of it, which is getting these kids packed up and in the car. But with twins, it's so hard to film while we're doing that. So I'll just give you a little rundown. Both are whiny, both are crazy because they're ready for their nap, and so we are like transferring them from crib to pack and play to toys to crib to pack and play to toys while we're getting packed up and in the car. And then now they're in the car, they have their Snuggie blankies, they have their sound machine, and they are passed out and happy. So that's what we have been doing the last hour and a half. And we are now in the car headed over to a cute little waterfall to go hiking. I've been begging Dean to take us hiking as a family all summer long. We've only been able to go like once because we just have had so much other stuff going on. So today is the day finally. So I'm excited to show you a little bit of our gorgeous state. I'm wearing Dean's glasses because my eyes hurt from the sun, although it's not sunny, but from the brightness outside. And I hate these glasses because they like cut into your cheeks. Anyway, we just got our Starbucks and Dean is making fun of me because I said, I don't know if I'm going to go back to eating dairy after having the kids be dairy free for so long. And he went on a giant rant. And what did you think I'm gonna do when I get to Olive Garden?
Have dairy.
Dean!
I'm camera shy.
Do it. This is his impression of me.
Do it, girl.
Do it.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. Okay, well, you're going to get the chicken Alfredo, and then you're going to get the zuppa Toscana, and you're going to get a small saucer plate, and you're going to make the poor waiter grind out a bunch of cheese on that plate in uncomfortable amounts. And you're going to say, oh, I missed you so much, don't ever leave me and get cheese. And I'm going to have to squeeze out your farts later on because your stomach can't take it.
All of that is true. 100%. But
It's true.
it's just gonna be a special occasion. I don't think I'm gonna eat like every single day dairy. I don't know. I've gone this long, over a year. We'll see. Okay, we are here. We fed the kids. We got them their little pouches. We got snacks loaded. We changed their diapers and they've been playing for a little bit. We noticed that they get really antsy after being in the car for a long time and then hiking in their pack and then back in the car. So we just let them play back here and just burn some energy. And now we're gonna go in the packs. So here's our little hiking packs. We were super lucky because we have 2 of Dean's friends and coworkers gifted each of us these. So we're very lucky and thankful for that. And here we go. Sissy, say hi. Say hi.
Off trail?
I don't think so. I saw the signs. We are hiking to the other big waterfall. Oh, see, there's some more people. Here's Daddy and brother. Dada and brother. Hi, little guy. Hi, little guy. You having fun? They're just talking, looking around, enjoying nature. You see Dada? Dada, Dada. What do you say? Mama. She's just talking.
Okay.
Let me see that guy. If you stay really low. There you go. Ooh, good job, Dada.
Brings me back to Tough Mudder.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Tell me.
Get low! Get low! Keep going. Keep going. Good. Cleared it.
Okay. Oh. All right, and we're back. Look how pretty it is. So pretty. There's not a lot of people out here either. That is what we had to climb under with the babies. It does leave us in the dust. I don't know if you can tell from the film how steep that is. We're gonna give it a go. Okay, sis, you ready? I gotta be careful. I got it. Okay. You hear her?
Yeah. Dada!
Let me get some close up of him. Hi, little guy. You having fun? Hi, baby. You're so cute. What do you think, sis? So pretty. Oh, wow. There it is. So pretty. Oh, it's really slick right here. Wow. Very pretty. Feels hot. Maybe we could dip in.
Ta-da!
Hi. So we are here hanging out at the waterfall. It's super pretty. We just had some snacks. The kids drank some water. They're taking in the view. And it is a good, successful day. What? What, baby? Uh-oh, they're getting antsy. Here. Boop. 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 Can you say mama? Can you say mama? Say mama. Mama. Nope. Only when he's mad. You don't need your blankie all the time. She is more addicted to the blanket than he is to the blanket. Oh, you know what I'm saying? Have a kiss? Please. What's that do? Please, can I have a kiss? Well, what do you guys think? Do we look alike? Oh, sissy. Okay, we're gonna get going. They're like, why are we stopped and we can't get out? We're back. This girl is passed out. And we're gonna feed them again because we've got about 45-minute drive home. Hi! Hi, little guy! Say hi. Letting him stretch his legs after sitting down all that time.
Ta-da!
We're gonna go to the bathroom and head back.
Hi, you gonna film me? Hi. Hi. Oh, such a good filmer. Hi. Look. Look. Hi. Film me, yeah. Film. Hi. 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 He's filming.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on tight. Hold on to that one. Everett. Dada. Amelia. I just got home. I made the kids some roasted veggies and chicken that's just like in frozen bags from Costco for a quick lunch. They were hungry. This guy has not napped at all. He's so tired. He only napped on the way there, and normally they nap twice a day. Little baby bum. We're gonna see if he'll maybe fall asleep down on this pad, or it's just gonna be a super early bedtime. Dean's giving me a back massage as we speak. The kids are just hanging out in their cars parked. Ow. Thanks, dear. My shoulders hurt from the hike. We're just hanging out. Good job! Good job! We don't have the floors taken out, so they can't push the cars with their feet yet. But they like sitting in them. They're eating some snacks.
Sure.
Annie's, Bunny Grams, and Blue Moon. Not sponsored. They're not drinking Blue Moon. Mommy is. They love that little tunnel. Where are you going? Hey, what you doing? You stuck? Hey, where's Everett? There he is! Hi, guys! Oh, sister's gonna steal your car and take your bunny grams. Oh, yep. She ran out of her snacks. Found brothers. Good problem solving skills, baby. Hi, little guy! Oh, Dad's getting mad at the dog. Oh my gosh, he's mean to her. No, he's not really mean to her. Hi! She's still recovering from surgery, so she's not allowed out here unless we have her on a leash. Hi, little guy! Yeah, girl! Oh, be careful over there. There's lots of bees over there. Oh, I gotta go get her. Alright, she's back in business. I had to save her. There's something about that bush. There's just tons and tons of bees over there all the time. So I don't want her to get stung. Good job, girlfriend! You're going far! Good job! They have the cute little bubble lawnmowers, but they're kind of hard to push in the grass for them because they're not that strong yet. So they like pushing these little cars. Mama? Are you saying mama or more? Sissy stole your car? You ran yourself off the road. We gotta go help sister. She's stuck in a bush.
Dad?
There's Dada. Dada. Sissy, you need mommy to come get ya?
I got her.
Oh.
I got you, girl.
She heard you say that. Daddy's coming to get her. She's all excited. Well, nice relaxing evening in our backyard after our hike. It's kind of cold, so I wasn't going to let them play in the water, but they found it. Dada said it's okay, I guess. Yeah, silly guy. You're such a boy. What are you splashing all the water for? Sissy? No, we're not going to go in the pool. We're not going to go in the pool. Just play in your water table. It's too cold. It's too cold, everybody. Look, they're looking at Dad. He's asking you. You asking Dada because Mama said no? It's not even full. It's empty.
Amelia! Amelia!
She keeps splashing it and putting it on her hair.
Amelia!
You getting your hair wet, silly girl?
Son. Amelia!
I think that bucket's empty. All right, we are back from our walk and I have some leftover potatoes that I made last night, some black beans, and then this was lunch that I had roasted veggies and chicken. So I'm just gonna chop all this up, warm it up, and then put it in bowls for them for dinner. So the kids actually had she saw the food, had a pouch on the wagon ride, just like a fruit and veggie pouch. So I didn't give them that much dinner. I feel like they've eaten a lot today, but she has been eating just a ton. Like she's eating all her food that I give her. So I'm just letting her eat it. But she did throw up in the car, and I don't know if it was a little car sickness or if maybe she is just eating a little bit too much. I don't know, but she acts like she wants it and she asks for more. So I don't want to discourage her because I took away all of their afternoon feedings. So I only feed them, by feed them I mean nurse. So I only nurse them in the morning when they wake up at 8 o'clock. They don't nurse all day long, and we slowly eliminated like one at a time over the course of the last like 3 weeks since they turned a year old. And so we eliminated all the afternoon ones, and then now they nurse at probably like 6:30, 7 o'clock before bed, and then they still nurse 1 to 2 times at night. I've gotten that down to 1 time so many times, and then like they teeth or something happens and they're cranky, and so then I go in and I nurse them, and then they add back in a feeding. And I did notice as I took away the afternoon feeds, they were trying to add back in night feeds, but then I think now they've adjusted and they've learned to eat more solids during the day to make up for that hunger at night. So last night they did really good. They still ate twice, nursing at night last night, but they were waking up like 3-4 times. So, oh gosh. Before I lock Zoe up, let me show you what sister does. She just dropped all her food on the ground for the dog, and now she's asking for more. You don't need more, baby. You gave it to your dog. Look, it's right here. There's your more. It's right here. Yummy. Here, you eat it. Good job. That's a big one. You had to bite it. You gotta take a bite. Here, you gotta take a bite. There you go. Good job. Don't give it to your dog, okay? I try. Yep, there she goes. She just drops it for Zoe. Okay, son, your turn. Come here, little guy. Come on. Come here. Okay, Zoe, come on. Come on, Zoe.
Alexa.
Come on. So, poor Zoe has to get locked up behind the stairs. Good girl. But she knows if she waits here patiently, you wait there nicely. Good girl.
Yeah.
Then when the kids are done eating, she can go eat everything they drop on the floor. Okay, let's go eat. Let's go eat. Okay, come here. Ugh.
I'm down on my knees. I'm begging you, please, to come home. Come on home.
Hi, baby.
In the afternoon.
Arms up. Arms up. Good job. thirsty. Water. Now set it down. Good job. Mommy needs water. Good job. Good job. No. You're all done with it? Put it right here. Good job. Is that good? You're all done? No, you're still eating. You still eating? You want more? You're done? Okay, you're done. Good job. Good job. All done? Good job. Good job telling Mama. Good job telling Mama. Okay, we're on a family walk around the neighborhood. Zoe is still healing from her surgery, so we're supposed to do rehabbed leash walks, but she pulls so much that I don't think it's as soft of a walk as the doctor means it to be. It's okay, Zoe. That was a stupid racing car. Amelia's just talking. She's so cute. She wants to get in front. Okay, you're leading your pack now, Zoe. Slow down. You're gonna hurt your other leg. Slow down, Zoe. Mr. No Nap Guy fell asleep. Poor baby. Oh, he's sleeping sitting up.
How's she doing? Yeah.
Yes. She's awake. Whoops. Hi. Oh, Everett.
Son?
I'll just take him up and nurse him. Put him to bed.
Yeah. Everett. Son?
First time ever he didn't take 2 naps.
First time Everett.
I know, that's not your Snuggie Blankie. She's telling us, hello, you forgot my Snuggie.
You know what makes me sad is to be like best friends for life. They're just hanging out by themselves. And
Why does that make you sad?
well, it makes me sad because I want them to. Look at this guy.
They are best friends.
Oh,
Hi.
You had too much to drink? Huh?
Hi.
Oh, buddy.
He's going back out. Well, I was going to just put him straight to bed, but as soon as I picked him up, he got all startled and was like excited and smiling. Like, hey, I wasn't sleeping. Who, me? Not me. Oh, there goes my glasses. You're so sweet, baby. Well, these kids somehow still have energy, and I don't know how. Aren't you tired? Come here. Come here. Come on. Come here. You can do it. Come on. Come get Mama. Good job. Oh, you can walk. Good job. Good job. Oh, Sissy, don't run brother over. He's walking. Hey, girl. Whoa, she left you in the dust. Hi, Angela. Hi. Have a kiss. Someone's ready to eat, I think. Hey, Zoe, quit licking me. Quit licking me. Quit licking me. Oh, don't lick the baby. Hey, girl. So they're both walking a little bit. They'll take a few steps. Oh, my monsters. My zombies. You silly. You are such a boy. Dad taught you that. Thanks, Zoe. Clean up the spit. You silly guy. Crash! Did you crash? You're okay. You silly. Oh, you got sister going now. Oh, we've got hyper kids. How are you hyper? You were just sleeping. Hi, sister. Whoa. Oh. You're okay. You silly guy. Oh, not both of you. Now sister's going. Oh man, and here comes your dog. Okay. Oh gosh. Hey, silly butt. We're probably making everybody sick how many times I've moved the camera. What do you think you're doing? Where are you going? Look at that evil grin. She knows she's going somewhere she's not allowed. Where do you think you're going? They found their favorite toy. The vacuum. Oh, look, he went straight for it. Be careful, that might fall on you. Be careful, kids. You know, it's kind of dirty. You're literally playing with dirt right now. Dust mites. We're not gonna vacuum right now, baby. Hi, whiny butt. I want to get you walking. Show everybody your new skills. She wanted to be on the couch because brother was. You ready to go upstairs? We gotta go night-night. You ready to go night-night? Night-night, Amelia. Night-night, Amelia. Night-night, Amelia. It's time to go to sleep. How do we get off the couch? Come on. How do we get off? How do we get off? Turn around. Turn around. You're gonna fall that way. Turn around. Turn around. You're giving me kind of a heart attack. There we go. Good job. Good job, girl. Good job. Oh, you guys see that big old stain? That's because Sissy spilt my coffee right there. Come on. Let's go to bed. It's really nice to have them so mobile when we don't have to pick them up. They know how to go up the stairs. Okay, come on. She's gonna want her blanket. She skips it. She's staring at it. Mommy will grab it. Mommy will bring it. Mommy will bring it. Mommy will bring it. Go on. Go on. Okay. It's gonna be hard. She's yelling at me. See? That's why Mommy was gonna carry it for you. It's right here. Diva. I love you. I know you're just tired, baby. Okay, go on. Go on. You're doing good. Would you like Mommy to carry it? Can I carry it? Thank you, sister. I got it. I got it. It's right here. Go on. Keep going. I'm going to bring it for you. Mommy's going to bring it for you. Come on, Amelia. Look, sissy. I still have it. Don't you worry. I would never, ever leave it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Here. Here. Good job. I would never forget it. Promise.
I would never forget your blankie. I know you love that thing. Sis, come on. She knows how to go down too. Good job. Okay, go down a few steps. Show our friends. Yeah, she's not gonna leave that. Okay, the babies are in bed and our day is winding down. Dean is barbecuing some food and I am gonna go take a shower because I feel like I look like a hot mess after hiking and then running around with the babies in the backyard in the sun. So I'm gonna go shower and get in some clean jammies, and then we're just going to veg out. It's Sunday, tomorrow's Monday. We have the baby's 12-month checkup tomorrow at the doctor, which I'm sad about because they're gonna get vaccines, which is good, but I'm sad to poke them. I always feel so bad, especially now that they're more aware. But anyway, now I'm rambling. So thank you so much for hanging out with us. We really enjoy doing these videos. So if you got some entertainment or you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and then subscribe to our channel to hang out with us every week. We post videos on Thursdays and then sometimes on Saturdays. So thank you so much and I hope everybody has a wonderful day. See you later.